Want to know how to separate instruments from your audio in Audacity? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application, and removing instruments from your audio or any vocal is super simple. What you need to do is just simply hit towards effect on top, and here you should be seeing OpenVino AI effects. So we have also created a video on how to download OpenVino. It's a plugin, so it's super simple and just under a few minutes, so make sure to watch it as well. Now, in order to remove your instruments, just simply select music separation right here. So now once you've selected music separation, here you should be seeing separation mode. Just simply select to stem, that is instrumental and vocals. You can also select preset and settings for more settings, and once you're done, just simply select apply right here. And once you've done that, after a while your music separation should start up, and it might take a while depending on your device, and you're good to go. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.